Hi everybody! Today, always with Scabit. Yes, and to make an advert of my next radio session around the Scabit label. Would you find? I'm pleased to share on air and be Watermelon Man by Mr. Baba Brooks. The record is also available on Scabit, and if somebody want to exchange with me this original on R&B and on Scabit, tell me on MP. So listen the Scabit and dance all day with Mr. Boogaloo Watermelon Man. Enjoy, it's a gift. Everybody, this is the Jamaican ska. Everybody, do the ska. Hey, Baba Brooks, play fun ska. Hey, this is the lovely Rudies Sound. Hey, for all Rudies, yes I. Hey, Scabit, Shingling, original Mongo Santa Maria song. Hey. West Indies song in the 60s. Oh, give me back your good feelings. Baba Brooks. This is the Jamaican beat from the 60s. Hey, listen, Mr. Boogaloo, play fine ska. And don't remember that Jamaican music is a medicine for the world.